Hi, I'm Will with Appliance Repair Marketing Leads. I wanted to explain how our Claim Your City program works. So we're making these billboard websites with or without clients. Our team of nerds is literally just cranking websites out every single day. We're on a 60-day blitz until January 1st to find the best appliance repair companies across the country to handle these calls. So all you've got to do is just put your information in here. After you do that, we'll give you a call. We'll see if your area is available, and you can claim that area. It's going to cost you $67 a month to claim the area until it's producing 30 calls a month. So you and I both know that we're not getting rich off $67 a month. All right. Up here, we're in Connecticut. So up here in Connecticut, you can hardly get a dinner for yourself for $67 a month. So that's our skin in the game. We don't want to pay that forever. We are really going to push our websites up the ranking so they're producing 30 calls a day, 30 calls a month rather. Once they're producing 30 calls a month, you're looking at spending $250 a month. Once they're producing 60 calls at the next tier, you're going to be looking at paying $500 a month. We're always keeping under that $10 per call. We're making a no-brainer. A lot of these other companies, they're charging $35, $40, $55, a lot of money per call, or sometimes they book the appointment for you. If you're into that, great. Spend your money on that. But if you're willing to wait a little bit, have some patience, and see the light at the end of the tunnel. Imagine trying to grow your business with literally spending, a third, maybe a fourth of the price on your advertising, on your marketing, to be able to get that phone ringing. So we have a client, and sure, if you go down here and you pop your information on here, you'll see our case study video. It'll detail one of our clients that is producing, we did 152 calls for him last month. Now he pays $1,000. $1,000 isn't cheap, but when it's producing 152 calls, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. So if you're interested in claiming your area, make sure you fill this form out ASAP. We have some specials on these areas here, and we can talk about that. If you have any other questions, feel free to just give me a call. Shoot me an email. My number here is 203-220-6989, or you can just shoot me an email at will@appliancerepairmarketingleads.com. I look forward to working with you. Hopefully this will answer some of those frequently asked questions that we're getting a lot these days on how our Claim Your City program works.